Alright, this is a 1986 Lakewood model P-223 20-inch box fan. I picked this one up from the garbage on Tuesday. When I got it, the motor might as well have been seized. It ran like 2 RPMs. It was horrible. It turned like this fast. It only turned like this fast. It was pretty shot. And it was horribly dirty, of course. And it didn't have a back grill. That's why it's got this really ugly yellowed out one on it. At least it serves for a back grill still. Didn't have a knob either. That's the knob off my 1980 K223. I gotta find this thing a knob. I think I still have one from Tori the Fan Man. So cleaned up pretty good. The motor was all rust. So I painted it gold just to make this one stand out from all the others. This white paint that's on it, like covering up all the scrapes and stuff, and the motor mounts painted white, was on there when I got it. I didn't do that. But all I know is they had white paint splattered all over the blades. That took me a while to get off. They had it all over the wires, but I got that off too. I wanted one of these fans for a long time. I've been wanting a P-223 for a really long time, so I was happy to find this one. It's not a second gen one like I really want, but it works. Still a P-223, so it still counts. I did put second gen blades on it, but this motor's too weak. It couldn't really run them. As you guys saw, it runs strangely slow on medium and low. Medium's like what low should be. I don't know why it's like that, but it's pretty nice to run it at night like that because it doesn't make no noise, and it pushes a real gentle breeze. Pretty cool fan though. I like it. It's not in the best of shape. It might get painted someday because the paint like rubs off when I re-clean it. It's not really stuck down to the fan anymore, and it's really dull and crappy looking. And every bit of dirt that hits it sticks to it. So, kind of annoying. It's still got some cooking grease down in there, because this thing was covered in cooking grease, just like covered in it. Like someone literally, it looks like someone threw it at it. But anyway, that's it for this video. So, as usual, thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed, and if anything changes with this fan, I'll get an update on it.